Tannin, what is it? If you've got new timber, it's the stuff that you need to remove before you can go over it with a timber oil or a timber varnish. The Intergrain UltraPrep Tannin and Oil Remover is a product that will allow you to speed up that process. So naturally, over about 6 to 8 weeks, tannin will remove itself from your timber, and once it's got to that point, you then can go in with your oil and timber coat. But if you don't have the time to wait, then this is a great alternative.